the guy next to him is like, she likes those shoes. If I get them, she'll like me. Bing, bang, boom. They start to grow a lot in the culture. But there is one thing that strikes the match and explodes the culture into society. The police. The police are the answer. There's all these young dudes running around in beautiful suits and very fancy footwear, and the police are like, okay, how on earth did you get all that nice stuff? You must be bad. Boom! Standing out. Society. That's a bad boy. Look at that guy. That's a rebel. Keyword, rebel. Clark's originally was a proper dress shoe.
So wait, same when they move from proper dress shoes, you see me? And due to classism, the government and the police free the man and say, yo, them boy I must see a thief forget this, you know. Them boy are criminal, you know. Man, them brandish them as gunman, bro. Yo, typical Jamaica, dog.
Fancy, nice company. All of a sudden,